Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Blitz Emmett Swinger. Let's unbox this Sonic X Shadow Generation PlayStation 5. Yep, they got PlayStation 5 Sonic and Shadow. I love Sonic and Shadow Generation game. I love this and love the classic Xbox 360, PS5, PS4, there was PS3, the Nintendo Switch 3DS. They let them play video games. They let the exclusion, the Robotnik, just right there. He's the long exclusive about Shadow, the long being story about a brand new generation game. Let's unbox this. Let's open it up, shall we? There we go. Come on. Hold on a second. Come on. There you go. There's Sonic X Shadow, the disc. There's another book. There's a lot of pretty cool story about Sonic 3 in the movies. So a lot of pretty cool in the movies. There's a lot of manual. To pretty cool, awesome. There's Shadow about this family. Dr. Robotnik, Eggman Empire. It's about Sonic 3 and now streaming on Paramount Plus. You can watch in Paramount Plus and coming to Blu-ray DVD this summer 2025. Along in December 2024. They're on the flashback and they're coming Sonic 3 Blu-ray DVD this summer, June 20th, 2025. Yeah. You could pre-order, you gotta download the deluxe edition about this game. The one love single song. And you could get on the code, the manual, don't look at the code. You could download the code, the game. The one to be a better game, Sonic Adventure. Oh, you got of Sonic Forcement. Sorry guys, there's a lot of Sonic Legendary Heroes PS5. Yeah. A lot of disc in there. The long time the heck that was. The lot of awesomeness. Look at that. Get the Sonic X Shadow Generation PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button to our channel and see you later, alligator. Bye everyone.